trudge,
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 trudge.
Okay.
To walk or
Match. Steadily.
steadily and
Usually
usually
laboriously.
laboriously.
Okay. It's not easy to
Trudge.
walk. Okay.
trudge,
Trudged through deep snow.
Okay.
trudge,
Trudge.
Anyway, stomp. Charge. Okay, Jeff charged
along behind the
prop.
watching the fresh dirt.
Cascade.
Cascade.
Okay, it goes out. Cascade. Yeah, cascade, you see, it goes down one by one. That's cascade. But here means the soil comes from the prow. What's that?
Trudge.
trudge,
Trudge.
trudge,
Trudge.
trudge,
Trudge. Tangled. Trudged.
trudge,
Trudged through deep snow.
Okay. Trudged. Cascade.
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 Cascade. Cascade.
Okay. Hand down. Or full. Or hand down. That's okay. They basically say the soil cascade of like water here.
Water
Cascades.
over the rocks.
Okay. Cascade. You see, flow like that. That's cascade. One by one step after another step. That's cascade. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Right. 3 stages. That's cascade.
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 Cascade. Cascade.
Okay.
Over the cascade over the rocks.
Okay. Okay. You're watching the fresh dirt cascade.
Of the blade and
Remembering. What is he just remembering it? Okay.
what does this example of personification
Good.
tell you?
Where is the personification? Where is this? You can read it. San joyously. Okay.
It suggests that the
Blade.
blade
Okay. You see the blade. Blade of. You see, that's a blade. Yeah, there's a blade. This is blade. Okay, that's blade.
blade creates a planet
Present.
pleasant sound.
Okay.
It suggests that there is a radio on the plow playing musical. It suggests that the
Muse.
mule feels good about pulling the plow.
Okay, to which one?
This one.
Okay.
Stomach.
Yeah. Okay, let's read it this one.
And the new teacher, she found another true and helpful friend.
Miss Stacy.
Miss Stacy was a bright,
Sympathetic.
sympathetic,
Okay, he can feel others people's feeling. Okay. In the new teacher, I think the Miss Stacy probably is the new teacher. Sympathetic. Do you remember this one?
cascade,
Cascade.
cascade,
Cascade.
cascade,
Cascade.
the water, cascade,
Cascade.
cascade over
Cascades.
the rocks,
Okay.
Sympathetic.
sympathetic,
Sympathetic.
Sympathetic.
sympathetic,
Sympathetic.
sympathetic,
Okay.
Sympathetic.
sympathetic, feel or show
Concern.
about someone who is in a bad
Situation. Okay. Sympathetic. Okay.
he received much help from sympathetic fans.
Okay. The sympathetic feel should concern about his situation. Okay. Sympathetic.
Sympathetic.
Sympathetic,
Okay.
sympathetic, sympathetic.
Yeah, this one is good.
She is very sympathetic toward
Toward
the
poor. Okay. Sympathetic to the poor, because the poor people are in bad situation. Okay. Sympathetic. Okay. Miss Stacy was a bright,
sympathetic young woman with a happy gift of winning and holding the
affection.
Affection.
Affection means love. Okay. Affection. Love. Okay. What's that?
sympathetic,
Good.
Sympathetic.
sympathetic,
Sympathetic.
sympathetic,
Sympathetic.
sympathetic is she is very sympathetic toward the poor.
Poor. Okay. Affection.
Affection.
Affection,
Affection.
affection,
Affection.
affection.
Okay. Okay.
She had a deep affection for her
Parents.
parents.
Affection.
Affection,
Affection.
affection,
Affection.
affection.
Okay. Care about others. Okay. Okay.
Affection.
Affection. Yeah. Love. Okay. Okay. Out here is very. Miss Stacy was a bright, sympathetic young woman with the happy gift of winning and holding. He can easily win affection from others, or holding affection. Okay. Affection.
Affections of
Pupils.
Pupils.
Pupils, the students.
and bringing out the best what that was in
Them is the pupils. Okay. The best in the students.
mentally,
Good mentally.
and
Morally. Okay. Morally. What's that?
Fa-
Cushion.
affection,
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 affection. She had a deep affection of her for her parents.
Okay.
Look,
Mentally and morally.
morally,
Molly,
morally,
Molly,
morally,
Molly,
morally,
Molly,
morally,
Molly,
Okay, spell it.
Morally, Molly.
Morally. It's not easy to explain it. Virtually.
Culture,
Decently. Yeah.
decently,
So that means they know what is right, what is wrong. Okay, that's morally. Virtually.
virtually,
Okay.
morally,
Molly,
Can spell.
Morally,
Morally.
Molly.
Basically knows what is right, the right thing. Okay. Okay. And bring out the best that was in them mentally and
Molly,
and I don't know. I think this class. And
Anne,
and
Anne,
and
Anne,
and anyway, and okay, and expanded. Expanded. Some just open up, expanded. Okay, expand. Oh yeah, you see a balloon. Balloon expand, becomes bigger and bigger. That's expand. What's that?
Molly,
morally,
Molly,
morally, morally,
Okay, expand.
expand,
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 expand, expand,
expand,
expand,
expand,
expand,
Okay,
interest,
increase.
increase, and size, become bigger,
Okay, become bigger. You see like the balloon becomes bigger, bigger. Here is and expand,
like
expanded.
a flower,
Okay, the flower grew up, yeah, opened up.
and is
Wholesome. Okay. What's that?
expand,
Expand.
expand,
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 Okay.
interest,
Increase.
increase in size, become bigger,
Okay. Like the flower grew up. That's expand.
wholesome,
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 Okay, can spell.
wholesome, wholesome, adjective, good, for you.
your
The
health.
good for your health.
Okay, wholesome means healthy. Okay, nutrients.
Helping to keep your body healthy.
Okay,
wholesome,
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 wholesome.
okay, spell it.
HWHOLESOME, wholesome.
Okay. I think here means what? Wholesome here means health influence.
Wholesome.
Okay. Yeah, what's up?
Healthy.
Okay, good. Okay, and expanding like a flower under this.
Wholesome.
Influence.
Influence.
Okay, influence. Influence. Some influence. What's that?
wholesome,
Wholesome.
wholesome,
Wholesome.
wholesome,
Wholesome.
wholesome,
Wholesome. Healthy.
Good, healthy. It's good. Influence. Good influence.
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 Influence. The power to change or
Affect.
affect someone or something.
Okay, that's influence.
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 Okay. Let me see. Yeah,
He has
has remained.
under the influence of her parents.
Okay,
Influence.
Influence.
that means her parents has power to change her. Okay,
Influence.
Influence.
can spell it.
INFLUENCE. Influence.
Okay, wholesome Okay, that's an expanded like a flower under this wholesome.
Influence.
Basically, the an is influenced in a good way by the teacher. Okay,
And carried home to the
Aunt Mary, Matthew,
and the
critical.
critical.
Okay, what else this? Critical. So many new words. Critical means the important thing. What's that?
Influence.
Influence. Influence.
Influence.
Influence.
Influence.
Okay,
She has
remained.
remained under the influence of her parents.
Okay,
Critical.
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 okay, let's stop here.